Good morning everyone. Starting the video off here on 32738. This is going to be a very good vlog because the next 2 days I'm going to be spotting EWL PM pick at KNS. So those are going to be good. That's the first of all, that's what I'm going to say. Second of all, I suspected this train on 247 and it really did. 32738, basically the competitor for 32738. Kind of the better one too, because 33738 was basically dead. So I guess this is like the only really strong one. But yeah, I'm on it. Right now, 327 is leading NB, which means it is sell. So yeah, we're gonna ride this and hear the strong motor. I haven't recorded this set before, but this vlog is gonna be very exciting. Okay, the other big part of this video is I'm gonna be finding a KHI rep. I've been needing to find a KHI rep for a long time. I'm planning to swap my 223 for another KHI rep with one of my friends. So yeah, in this video we're going to EWL. Hopefully we can find a rep. So yeah, this is gonna be a rep hunting video. We're gonna find one KHI rep in this video. Okay, you see now 328 is leading. The LED, you cannot really see, but the LED line is 328. So which means it's gonna be acceleration now, which is the best out of all because acceleration is always the loudest. Here we go guys.
Next station, SMRT. Jangan tinggalkan barang Anda tanpa diawasi. Jika Anda ternampak orang atau barang yang mencurigakan,
There we go.
silakan beritahu.
In the tunnels is always better, but acceleration is always better whether it be GT or IGBT or SIE. SIE doesn't really have strong, but yeah, these two are normally acceleration are very strong for themselves. Okay, so I'm back home right now. It's quite late. But like I said, this video is going to be very exciting because I'm going to be spotting CHG PM tomorrow. I haven't done that for a long time. And also I'm going to be picking out a KHI rep in this video. I most probably decided on one already. I've actually decided on it. It's basically going to be 037, 038. So I'm going to try hunt that train down tomorrow. Basically, I asked people on Instagram what KHI should I rep. Some people say 063, 073, Totiam Chai, basically 037, 038. So 107. So honestly, I didn't really need to ask because I already had a few in mind. 037, 038 was always the top. It's like always something I wanted to rep. So I'm finally repping it. I've kind of hinted it, saying I wanted to rep 037, 038. I said that in June. Till now I haven't repped it. A lot of people ask me to rep it because like it's decent. They don't really like it, but they're okay with it. You know, I like it because it has a unique motor. Not, I wouldn't say very strong. It has a unique motor and it's also a pretty decent train. It's not faulty and stuff. So yeah, 037, 038 is going to be my new KHI rep. Yeah, that is basically it. So we're going to be finding in that rep from now on. 223, 224 may no longer be my rep. I may give it to someone else. I may swap reps. I may let it open it up. So like if anyone wants to take it, they can. So yeah, 037, 038 most probably. But I think that if there's nothing changed, 037, 038 is gonna be it. I had a few others in mind, such as 131. No, 131 I wanted, but someone took it, and it's pretty. I don't think I can do that. 121. Okay, 053 was one of them. 053, 043. 043 and 037 were basically the top two I wanted to pick. So in fact, people asked me, can they rep those sets? So I was like, I put it on hold because I feel like I may want to rep. So finally I got my chance to rep 037, 038. Alright guys, it's finally the next day. I'm down below at HGB block. I don't know why. I'm going to take the bus to Pasir Ris because today is the day I spot CHG PM. Not only that, I'll be finding my new rep. Since I repped 037, 038, I'm going to be finding it today. So I can take it officially as my rep. I don't know, that doesn't make sense. But I want to take it. I haven't taken it as my rep before. The last time it wasn't my rep. So that's the two objectives for today. So hopefully it's an EWL or it may come out for PM and then I'll take it. Because finally, the Instagram people don't even know 037, 038 is my rep. So you guys get to know first. No, I think they'll get to know at the same time. So yeah, let's go hunt it down.
Being could always be problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God.
Okay, that took longer than I expected, but we're finally here. That's a good thing. But that's a bad thing. Apparently, I just got a last-minute message saying that 037, 038, my new rep, isn't on EWL. Maybe in the depot though. So we're gonna hunt it down. Look, another unfortunate thing happened. I missed the trade. It wasn't any trade. If it was any trade, I'll be okay. It was 337, 338. One of the strongest motor trains. The strongest in fact. Now it's not though. But I missed it. It was a very good train to take to TNM and I'll be early. And I missed it. I tried running up. So that's why I'm out of breath. Let's just wait for any train now. Ooh, even though we missed 337, we got another KNS. That's great. Okay, so it was not a bad set. 333, 334. I kind of knew when I saw the new stickers. What could it be than 333, 334? That's the PMS on the other side. It's like 025. Oh, not with the new KSFA stickers. It looks pretty good, okay. I think it is okay. Correction, it's KSFB stickers, not KSFA. Look, here's the TNM, the TNMP tracks. Look, they look kind of complete. No, I mean they look much better than they did like a few months ago. Oh my god, that unknown KSFA over there, just thought it was really loud. It was really great for me. 149 KHI has arrived. I didn't know where 149 was. I thought the TMP started without me and I was in the midst of it. I was kind of confused, but here's 149. Let's see, it is 111, 111, 111, I mean. And then here we got 121, 122, KNS, 235, 226. This SIE always stops me when I come to EWL. 150, 033, 034. Even though it's a KHI, it's a strong motor KHI. Let's just hope my new rep 037, 038 comes out from CHU. What? Even better if it comes up from TWD. So I can take it to Pasir Ris and then I get some good shots and then like take it back. Because here it goes westbound, I probably not gonna take it. Hey yo, it's 043, 044. I was very close to repping that set yesterday. Yesterday I was having a final decision on which KHI to rep. I was in a dilemma between 043 and 037. But 037 I wanted it more. So I repped that set. Because I've been thinking of that for a while. 043 043 I've also been thinking of it for a while. But I haven't really considered. 037, yeah, that's the story. Oh my god, I think it's 152. It's 321, 322. The very strong treasure. Not only the robotic one, but like the next level strong one. Like after 327 and 327. It's a really good set. Okay, I realized something. And that something is spotting a TNM is too stressful. There's staff constantly watching you. Not really, but I feel very pressurized that I'm gonna get caught or anything. So the best solution is I'm going to go to Pasir Ris. So I will consider myself lucky getting 075, 076. There's really strong motor here. I mean it's getting stronger over time. It didn't used to be that strong, but here it is. Yeah. Okay, this was another rep I was considering. I wanted to swap this rep with my 223. Okay, I'm now here at Pasir Ris. My main agenda is to spot for my rep now, 037, 038. So yeah, this part of the video, I'm going to be maybe doing a ride on 037, 038 or something like that. I'll still show you guys trains that come, like if they're good. But other than that, I'll be showing you, I'll be waiting for 037, 038. But it may not, no guarantee it comes out though. But we'll just try. Maybe from TWD, you could have went westbound, which I could not see a Panamera. Like whatever. So but the atmosphere is better here. Like there's less stuff. I mean there are stuff, but if you are careful of them, you are able to avoid them. Unlike TNM, they're everywhere. Look who pulled up. Okay, this is the ex-KNS strongest motor. Now it's passed on to 337. Okay, it's basically 349, 350. Really good set. I knew it was the set immediately when I saw the black in front. But finally a decent set. My god, another KNS pulled up. It's a new logo. Looks like 329, 330, but I cannot confirm yet. And yup, it's 329, 330. I was correct. Shit. Okay, you know what? That's 093, 094. Not only that, it's running as 137. It's such an idiot. It always wants to enter NSL, but it doesn't. Idiot, I swear to God, I'm gonna like beat it up if it was not an object. Okay, it's 351, 352. All the good stuff are like showing up now. I think they're from TWD. So there's a lot of KNS, SIE. SIE not really. But yeah. Another KNS showed up. I think this is likely to be 345, 346. Unless it's my rep, no, it's 345. Okay, it's been an hour or so. I still haven't found my rep in 738. I guess it's probably not gonna come. I think it didn't even come out, that's why. Unless this is the one. No, this is not. This is not. It might be. No, it's not. That's something else. Still no luck. So we might have to try again tomorrow. Tomorrow I promise I'm going to spot DNM. As long as I don't like chicken up at the last minute. If everything goes well, I'll spot DNM and try to find my rep. Hopefully it runs 2 days tomorrow. Bro, at this point, every KHI I see, I hope that's my rep. I'm like kind of impatient waiting. And it's probably not going to come out. It's 121. Looks like my rep, but it's not. Yeah, I want to take my rep officially. Like, you know, official ride with my rep. Because the last time I took it, it was not my rep. Like I said, we just have to wait, I guess. But I'm probably going to go home. So 01, 02, port while leaving earlier. And this is monkey. So 2 funny things. Guys, I'm back here. I didn't want to say this earlier, but I'm such an absolute idiot. Is there any other word stronger than idiot? I'm such a freaking idiot, more than an idiot. So basically, I waited for nothing because 03703 was not on EWL. That's not only it. It was not in TWD, not in CHG. It was on none other than NSL. I'm so stupid. Why every time it comes to NSL, I'm on EWL? And when it's on EWL, I come to NSL. But what is this logic, man? I'm pissed. Okay, but I may still be able to catch it on NSL now. So I'm gonna rush to see if I can catch it. Side note, here 317, 318 heading wrong east. Okay, here it comes. My rep is coming. Let's go, guys. Officially my rep now. Let's go. Here we go.